Alright guys, for everybody that has jumped ship from Twitter and hopped on Hive Social and is enjoying it, but wishes it had a desktop client, I have got a cool little hack for you that will let you do just that. So, all you're going to need to do is open a web browser, go to ldplayer.net, click this yellow button here that says download LDPlayer 9, run the installer. It's real quick, super simple. You're just going to launch that. You'll then be presented with this screen. This is essentially just an Android emulator. So you're gonna click on this search bar. You're going to type in Hive Social, search that. It should be the only thing that pops up. Click on it, click the install button. As you can see, I already have it installed. When you launch that, familiar screen, just like on your phone, you're going to either create an account or log in. Now let's say you have photos, videos, something on your computer that you want to post on Hive. There's actually an option over here, this folder icon. You're going to click on this. It'll bring up a little window that has two buttons, PC shared folder and Android shared folder. What this essentially does is gives you a folder on your computer where you can drag all of your photos, videos, whatever it is you're wanting to post on Hive into this folder. It will then auto-populate into the Android shared folder, and as long as it's in this folder, when you are in Hive and you go to make a post on the platform, all of those images, those videos, they will show up and you will be able to have access to them to post on the platform. It's pretty cool. Hope you all enjoy it. And one last thing, if you guys are feeling like it, feeling friendly, go ahead, give me a follow on Hive. I would greatly appreciate it. Hope to see you all there.